How will
Start.
Hello everyone. We are here to present our project for Allen LLP Hackathon. The name of our project is Dream Come True. Our team comprises of me, Anjali, Ajay and Vatsala. The main idea behind our project is creating a website just by thinking about it. We have extended the amazing work done by Stanford's research team to convert imagined handwriting into text. The ECOG signals recorded from the cortex are processed through a recurrent neural network to convert it into text that we can process. The decoded text from the RNN model is cleaned up and autocorrected to be used for recognizing intent and entities in the text. Using our tool, a user can add title, caption, images, change text, border colors, position of elements, or update background images. N- Now we'll see a project demo by Ajay.
Hello, I am Sriram Ajay from India. Now I will be presenting a demo of our work in this hackathon. Let's see how a user can create a homepage for his website by just thinking about it. User is thinking of as if he's writing some instructions to add components to his website. Here, we just take neural signals, process it, get text, process it, and then take action. So basically, as we can't have the real neural signals, we are synthetically generating the neural signals for the user type thinking of typing this kind of sentences. So let's see. User is thinking of set title as dream come true. Here we can see the title came here, dream come true. Let's see more in action. We can see the caption is added here. Let's say this time user wanted to do something fancy. Maybe they wanted to change the background to maybe fruits. So let's say he's thinking of something like set fruits in background. We can see the nice fruits are getting added. Say suppose user don't like this background, they wanted to change to different fruits, and then they can just say maybe something like next image. If not this, maybe different one, change image. Yeah, we can see the backgrounds are getting changed continuously. So let's try something different. Maybe something like hello, I am Sriram.
As Anjali mentioned, we've used the Imagine BCI dataset to train our recurrent neural network model. Once the sentence of the user is extracted and filtered from the neural signals, we use our NLP model that comprises of paraphrase mini language model of 6 layers and Elmo for entity and intent recognition respectively. After that, design tool processes it and performs actions accordingly, like updating elements in the UI. Here is the technology stack that we've used. This project can have a huge impact in empowering differently abled people. Using this tool, they can create websites like Portfolio, e commerce websites, etc., very efficiently. As part of future work, we plan to add the following features in the project.